As I start the drive, I'm moving along the VIP road, which connects directly to the Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose International Airport. It's one of the key lifelines of the city, always buzzing with activity. Soon, I take a left turn onto M Bypass, a long stretch that runs past the planned township of Salt Lake City, calm, green, and well organized. Hello friends, and welcome back to RT Dashcam. Today's journey begins right here, from the heart of Lake Town, Kolkata. And we're heading towards one of the city's modern marvels, Science City. For more than 28 years, this place has been spreading science and learning to everyone. The total distance is about 9.5 kilometers. So, let's roll and explore the vibrant cityscape of Kolkata together. On this route, I try to share glimpses of some interesting landmarks you'll find along the way. Now we are passing through the Bengal Chemical Metro station, located in the Kakurgachi-Kadapara area, right over the EM bypass. This part of the city always feels alive. The constant beep of autos, people rushing, but there's a rhythm to the chaos that only Kolkata can offer. Now, we are near the Salt Lake Stadium metro station, a stop that sees both locals on their daily routine and sports fans heading to the next destination. Just on our left, there it is, the iconic entrance gate of Salt Lake Stadium, officially known as Vivekananda Yuba Bharati Krirangan. It's not just a stadium. It's where the city comes alive with football, full of cheers and excitement. A venue that has hosted some of the most electrifying matches, packed with historic moments, emotional wins, and an atmosphere that's impossible to forget. You can feel that energy even when you're just passing by. We're now approaching the busy square near Subhas Sarovar, right at the junction of Beleghata and EM bypass. This place is always busy. Cars, buses, bikes, all finding their way through. It may seem messy, but everything flows, just like Kolkata's heartbeat. Look to the left, that's the entrance to the West Bengal National University of Juridical Sciences, or simply NUJS. It's one of India's top law universities. They offer 5-year integrated graduation programs and 3-year post-graduation courses in various disciplines. The campus has this peaceful charm, and the architecture, it really stands out in the middle of the city rush. It's a place where future lawyers and judges of the country begin their journey. We're now passing under the newly inaugurated Chingrighata footbridge, standing tall over the EM bypass. It connects the Salt Lake side to the Beleghata side, making life easier for pedestrians in this otherwise hectic crossing. And yes, we've stopped at the Chingrighata crossing, waiting patiently for the traffic signal. Once the signal clears, we move forward. Kolkata teaches you patience, doesn't it? Sometimes, you just have to pause, breathe, and take in the life moving around you. Heading towards the Flyover, just a little over a kilometer ahead. One of the major flyovers that helps this city breathe a bit easier during rush hours. Now on our left, you can spot Beleghata Metro Station, a new addition to the city's growing metro network. Clean, modern, and built to ease the city's load. And right from here, the Ma Flyover begins. It's a beautiful flyover that helps you skip the traffic and reach the other side quickly. To our left is the Bartaman Bhavan, the headquarters of Bartaman, one of the leading Bengali daily newspapers. To our left, you'll spot the Grand JW Marriott Hotel Kolkata, a sleek, high-rise, 5-star hotel with all modern luxuries and a stunning panoramic view of the city skyline. It adds a real touch of class to this part of town. On the left side, we cross Barun Sengupta Metro Station, also popularly known as the Science City Metro Station. I had to take a sharp 90-degree turn on the flyover, continuing with the stretch. But just below us, on the left, was our original destination, Science City, Kolkata. On the right, you can now see the massive Biswa Bangla Mela Prangan, also known as WBTPO, a huge venue where large-scale trade fairs and exhibitions are hosted. It's well equipped with both outdoor and indoor facilities. And to the left, there's Mirania Lake, one of the biggest lakes in the city. Sadly though, it's not open to the public. It's a private property. Still, catching a glimpse while passing by always feels refreshing. We're cruising on the Ma Flyover. Honestly, it feels good. I had heard a lot about this road, the views, the smooth drive, but never got a chance to try it myself. So yes, this is my first time driving through Ma Flyover, and I must say, the experience is absolutely worth it. Just look around. Now has a twist in the ride. Yep, missed the turn. Since we accidentally stayed on the flyover, we'll now need to loop around, adding another 9.2 kilometers to our journey. But that's what road trips are all about, right? Sometimes it's the unplanned turns that often make the journey unforgettable. Now we're crossing the well-known bridge number 4, which passes right over Park Circus railway station. This bridge actually plays an important role. It directly connects Park Circus to the Eastern Metropolitan Bypass. One thing that truly stands out here, it's clean, clear, and no unauthorized stalls or shops blocking the sides. It doesn't happen often in a crowded city like ours, but when it happens, it feels so peaceful. It's time to exit from the flyover, so I shift to the right lane, heading towards the Park Circus 7-point crossing. Now we've reached the Park Circus 7-point crossing, one of the busiest intersections in Kolkata. It's like a central nerve that connects EM bypass to the heart of the city and also leads toward South Kolkata. What's fascinating here is how the Ma flyover connecks seamlessly with the AJC Bose Road flyover, forming a solid link between NH6, NH2 and EM bypass. That's Kolkata's complex beauty, messy on the surface, but deeply connected beneath. I needed to take a U-turn, but unfortunately, you can't do that directly from this crossing. So I had to sneak into Shakespeare Sarani for a short while, just to get onto Park Street from the other side. I didn't want to get back on the flyover again, so I took the service road. Now here's where I slipped up a bit. I completely missed a big "No Entry" sign already marked there. Google Maps showed this route, so I followed it. But sometimes you really need to watch the road more than the screen. Even here, another no entry board was in place. But since I wasn't familiar with this stretch, I just went straight. Honestly, I didn't realize it was a restricted turn. And that little mistake cost me. A traffic police officer stopped me. And yes, I had to pay a fine for the wrong entry. But here's something nice. Seeing my Karnataka registration plate, he realized I was from out of town. After issuing the fine, he spoke very politely, explained the route, and even paused the traffic to help guide me back on the correct path. Moments like this really remind you that kindness still exists even when things go wrong. Finally, we're back on track. Now merged onto JBS Haldane Avenue. We're crossing over Park Circus railway station once again. But this time, not through the Ma flyover. We are on the ground, cruising through the city the classic way. As I mentioned earlier, I had taken the Ma flyover by mistake, which added almost 9 extra kilometers to the journey. So now, I'm driving back again towards Science City More in Dhapa, Kolkata. That's another 9 kilometers on this stretch. Currently, I'm on JBS Haldane Avenue, which runs just below the Ma flyover and almost parallel to it. On our right side once again, we pass by the beautiful but private Mirania lake, calm and serene, hidden just beside the road. Finally, I've reached Science City More. And this right here is a lesson. When you miss the correct turn, it doesn't just cost time, it costs energy. A small slip today added 18 extra kilometers to the drive. Now, I need to take a U-turn. And just to the left, our destination, Science City Kolkata, is waiting. And here we are at last. This is the main entrance of Science City, Kolkata. Driving through the picnic garden area that leads into the premises. We've reached the parking area, and now it's time to collect the parking ticket and find a better spot for car parking. This place has a huge open parking space, very well maintained, clean and organized. There's ample room for numerous vehicles, which is rare in such a crowded city. I'll be parking my car here and heading inside. I've shared all the timing details and entry information about Science City in the video description below. So do check that out if you're planning a visit. So, this was today's journey. A ride filled with unexpected turns, missed exits, entering a no-entry zone, getting fined by traffic police, and an unplanned drive through the full 9 kilometers Ma flyover. But that's the thing about road trips, they're not always perfect. Sometimes, the mistakes teach you more than the map ever will. So always stay alert, stay safe, and enjoy the journey as much as the destination. This is RT Dashcam, signing off for today. I'll see you in the next travel story. Till then, take care and bye-bye.